Hey there, welcome to Wealth Builder Central. Today we're going to walk you through creating a simple investment plan step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Set your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, buying a home, or just looking to grow your wealth? Clearly define what you want to achieve. Think about both short-term and long-term objectives. Maybe you want to pay off debt, build an emergency fund, or save for a dream vacation. Write down your goals and be specific. The more detailed you are, the easier it will be to create a plan to reach them. Remember, setting clear financial goals is the foundation of a successful financial journey. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. Start by taking a detailed look at your assets, liabilities, and income. This means reviewing your bank statements, credit card bills, and any other financial documents you have. Understanding where you stand financially is key to planning your investments. Knowing your net worth, monthly cash flow, and outstanding debts will help you make informed decisions. This comprehensive assessment will provide a solid foundation for your financial planning and investment strategy. Step 3. Determine your risk tolerance. How much risk are you willing to take? This will guide the types of investments you choose. Step 4. Choose your investment strategy. Whether it's stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, pick the strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. And that's it. With these simple steps, you're on your way to creating a solid investment plan. Remember, consistency and patience are key to seeing your investments grow. If you found this helpful, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tips from Wealth Builders Central. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can build a financially secure future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.